Hi guys, this is Manny at Salsa for Two. In the next few seconds, you're going to get another video. Hopefully you enjoy it. Please provide feedback. We're going to do a lot more videos like this in the near future. In the meantime, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also look us up at our website at salsafor2.com. Continue to like us and provide feedback in all our social posts. We appreciate and are served by that. Have an amazing day, and remember to learn anywhere and dance forever. Have a great day. Salsa for Two. Hi there guys, this is Amy. I'm Manny. We're Salsa for Two. I want to go over some fundamental steps with regards to transitioning from a closed position to an open position. In the casino or Rueda de Casino world, it is called Dile Que No, right? Where you're in an open position and when all the fun and turn begins. This is probably one of the most challenging transitions, right? From the closed position to the open position. But we're going to have a couple of shortcuts that hopefully will help you as you practice, get experience, and get really, really good at it, right? So we're going to demonstrate Dile Que No, or from a closed position to an open position, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to go with 1, 2, 3. I'm kind of pivoting a little bit, getting out of the way a little bit, and I'm helping my partner on the 5 to go across with their left foot. So we're going to do this again. Ready? So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice that my right foot now is coming forward, right? As opposed to in the closed position where you go 1, 2, 3, and the 5 is backwards for me on the right. For the men, right, in the open position, it's opposite. The ladies, footwork remains the same. Here we go again. Ready? So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That is the traditional way of doing it. This gets you in a position for the Rueda de Casino, right? Where the couples are around and you're facing the center. And also, if you're dancing individually, is where all the fun and all the turn begins, right? Because you're in an open position, you can do all sorts of things. Now, I told you earlier, this is a challenge, right? It's not easy. I'll tell you why it's not easy for a lot of guys in particular, is because you don't realize you have time. And I'll show you what that means. When you go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, you're doing another count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 before you get together on the 5. So you have plenty of time to do it. Now, what I like to tell folks sometimes is, hey, we could jumpstart that or shortcut that. And the way to do it is very simple, right? So you're going to an occasion and a party, you're running late, whatever the case is, the music is blasting, people are halfway through the song, and you not feeling that comfortable with regards to that transition, you jumpstart it, right? By simply going like this. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you start out and you help her, right? This is about leading. Help her by nudging her left arm forward a little bit while you also go with your right leg forward, right? So I'll do this again. Hey, you meet, we're in a hurry, dance, whatever, the music is on, you go 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's a jump start that I recommend if you're having and you're still learning and having trouble with that transition. You could do it that way. Another way that we teach it for beginner students is this way. Instead of going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, we actually simulate the closed position by going forward and backwards for a little bit. And then you remember that right leg, my right leg, instead of going backwards, going forward, I'll show you. Right? So you're in a closed position. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You drop the hands a little bit. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Again, non-verbal with your right hand. 1, 2, 3. And then you go 5, 6, 7. The girl does not change. It's the guy that goes forward on that. We're going to go and look at it this way. Right? So we are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then whenever you're ready, you go 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Boy, I hope you enjoyed this. Again, don't get frustrated if it doesn't come easy the first time. It is practice, and it's all about practice, doing it over and over and over. We're going to do it one last time. We're going to do it from this angle here. Ready? So, Dile Que No, the old-fashioned way, right? 1, 2, 3, get out of the way, pivot, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, right forward for the men, forward. There you go. The girl, the lady, does the same thing she would do on the closed position, right? Just like this. Her footwork doesn't change, right? The men's or the leading partner does change. It's the right foot going forward. There you go. I hope you enjoyed it. Please continue to like us on your social media, favorite social media, and our social media. We like it. You like it. Everyone likes it. Salsa for Two. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe on our website. And I hope this is helpful for you. Practice, practice.